Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second puzzle not in today's newspaper of Tuesday, January the 25th, 2022. No, it's the yesterday's edition, Monday, January the 24th, 2022. Yeah, I've already done one puzzle, two puzzles are left, Two Stars Sudoku and a tectonic with 1 star. But now it's time for the Two Stars Sudoku. This will be number 4029. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, and for Two Stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. A lot of threes I see. Oh, a lot of threes. Apologies. So let me start with 3 in this last row, 3 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. All right. Okay, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. All right. Okay, I cannot continue with the 3. Let me see. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. All right. Then. How about the 2 in this row, the 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And we no. Let me see, 7 3, yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in the middle row, so no 3 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 3 goes there. All right. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. All right. Then. All right. 8. Yeah. I'm thinking. How about the? 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. You see, you have 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5 in the middle row, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. Oh, wait. Yeah, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. You see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and a 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in this row, so no 4 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Now 2 numbers left in this row. We have a 5 And the 1 is missing. Yes, the 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 5. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Okay, 7 in this last column, 7 in that column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. All right. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Second column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I need a 4. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4 is missing. 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. Here, 4, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. So the 6 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those. Alright. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Here we have the pair 1 and a 5. 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. Yes, the 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. All right. Then. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8, and the 9 are missing. 8 and a 9. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes in there. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5. And a 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright. And we have a pair. 8 and a 3 in the third column. 8 and a 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 3, 8 and a 3. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 in this third column, 1 in the second column. So first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Okay. Okay. Then. How about 3, 6, and 2. Yeah. We have a pair, 2 and a 3 in the last column, 2 and 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 2 and the 3 goes in these 3 boxes, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. But we have a 2 and a 3 in the second row, so no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. That means 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2 and the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. All right, 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 9. All right. Then 2 missing numbers in the second row for the numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2 and the 3, the 4 and the 5 is missing. Yeah. 5. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 3. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. I like this one, yes. 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one, because for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. And it's getting faster and faster. I hope you can follow me. Otherwise, you need to rewind or in slow motion mode to watch. But if you follow every day, you know my same words. So I try also with my pencil to lead you to, but you need to focus. If you 2 seconds or 3 seconds you have no focus, then it will be difficult to follow. Anyway, I like this one. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle, 8 tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.